The garage door, the largest moving object in the house, standing over 7 feet tall and weighing in at 300 plus pounds. This instrument of destruction and carnage is often challenged. In 1993, federal law required all garage door openers manufactured to have advanced safety features which comply with the latest UL 325 standards. We removed those parts. We answer the challenge to determine, will it bust?
Boom. It's a crash test baby. Go ahead, do it again.
Let's take the strap off.
Oh, she goes flying into the door?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Here we go. Whoa. Try to get home. Whoa, whoa. This is not cool. No. Whoa.
Hey, Dad, could you hold this?
Sure. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Knock yourself out. Knock the baby out. Whoa. Ow. Oh. You know you don't do that with real babies, right?
Yeah.
No, that's not right.
Only with fake babies.
Only with fake ones. So what do we do with fake ones?
Hit them with the garage door.
Hit them with a what?
The garage door.
Oh! Hut. Throw this way. I'm open. Hey, can we play baby basketball? You play baby basketball?
Yeah.
Okay.
Number 3.
What'd you do? What'd you do?
I let it stick up there. Stick it down with it. I'll get it.
Yeah, you get a bat.
Baseball bat. Watch how I do it.
Oh, you want to play baseball, baby?
Yeah.
I'll pitch to you.
Yeah.
There we go. All right, you ready, Slick? That's not where a pitcher throws a baby from. All right, bring that baby on. Come on. What is the... Oh!